Hey, what's up, Alpha Gang? It is Mike from AlphaGenPerformance. Today is Brembo brake install day, so I'll be doing Brembo brakes plus also doing some drilled and slotted rotors to add to Veronica. So I'm super pumped. I've been waiting for this for a while, literally with all the parts that I've been putting on. The brakes kind of been on the back burner a little bit, so they've just been sitting in my garage. So finally made some time to get that done. So I'm super pumped, super excited to get this done, and I will do some before and after, just so you can see the difference it made with the regular premium Genesis 2.0 brakes versus the new Brembos that are going on. So yeah, pumped to get these on and show you guys. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. You like that? Right with the... Oh, you brought me coffee! Thanks a lot, buddy. I'm just gonna grab the gear and stuff, and then let me try them back, since I don't have my garage door opener in my car. Yeah, I don't keep it in there, since it's been outside, so... No, I kept that inside. But, okay, I'll open my garage, and then I'll pull this thing around and start loading, I guess. Cool. Thanks, Matt. So we just got here, getting the car all prepped, getting all the supplies and stuff, and I have the Brembos here. This is what we're throwing on all around. Some sick ass Brembos. And then this is actually the first time that I've opened this box up that had the drilled and slotted rotors, but these are gonna look so good paired up with it. I'm super pumped. So I have another box of these too that I gotta throw on, but yeah, these paired up. Even open it up here. Oh, I'll save it for later. It's hard to open it with one hand, but yeah. Anyways, you get the idea. Yeah, pretty pumped, pretty stoked.
Until you hear crunch, it's just Mike's parts.
Just run over the brakes; they'll stop you.
Backup camera.
Hi.
I need, but I get it the fuck out of here. Nice copies, you pig.
It's just yours.
I'm jealous.
They said it's steel work ones.
Did you bring more overnight parts from Japan?
No.
Disappointed. Dustin even got me coffee today. I know.
I just came up from a fucking haircut.
Oh. Came from night shift life, and then he's like, here's a coffee.
This guy?
I did. I'm like, I'm waking up early. I'm gonna get this stuff done. Yeah, we're just jacking up.
Wow.
Just a before and after of the rear stock versus the new ones that still have to go on. And we're just replacing the rear dust shields right now. This is right there that we're at.
You're gonna install the other three? Awesome. Diego just said he's...
Your axle turning on that side, Dustin?
No.
These are the new calipers.
They're not... You have to put the pads on first.
Another out with the old caliper and in with the new.
Up your ass.
Yeah. Right, Dago?
Up your ass.
Please tell me you're
gonna
doing
be
it. Up your ass! Aww.
We got some leakage. Some seepage. That's Dustin getting excited. He just peed a little. Boop. You can tell the camera's on, right? Man, those look sick. These guys are working on the rears right now. One thing I noticed with the fronts, I had replacement dust shields for the fronts, but they were the same size as the stock ones, like the premium ones, or the non-Brembo side. But these ones over here, if you replace the rears and you end up just cutting the dust shields instead, it's definitely a lot easier. If you replace them with the Brembo size dust shields, they were a bit of a pain in the ass. So it looks cleaner though because they got the replacement, but yeah, it's just more of a pain in the ass. The easiest way to do it would be just to cut it, just to clear, because the old, like the base ones, they're smaller, so then basically they sit here, so you just have to shave off the outside in order for them to fit. But of course with these ones, they're the perfect size for the Brembos, for the rotors. So but yeah, just at the final stages. We're just bleeding the brakes right now, so everything's installed. He's just getting me to pump the brakes, and then he just bleeds them, and then yeah, that's about it, and I think we'll be all finished up.
He did hide his WD-40.
Oh, you found it? It's still stiff. Do you want me to pump?
Yeah.
Okay, holding.
I guess he didn't like that I used
Pumping the
his
brakes. Still bleeding them. There's 2 bleeders on each Brembo caliper.
bleeders on you.
Hey, what's up guys? Just outside. I'm gonna try to get a good shot of the brakes, the upgrade with the wheels on it, so let's go take a peek. Hey, what's up guys? So yeah, we took a look. Sorry the car was a little bit dirty. I got back from like a long road trip, and of course with the rain that we've been getting lately, it's hard to keep the black car clean, but I think most of you guys that have dark vehicles kind of know that struggle. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with them so far. The install wasn't too bad once again, except for the rears that were a bit troublesome and took a little bit more time. But yeah, it was definitely a good learning experience for myself as well, and I'd like to thank, of course, the guys that helped me with that install. I haven't been able to really test it out because I'm not supposed to do any like really hard braking until the braking period is done. So I still got to put on, you know, a few hundred kilometers before I can test them out really. But already I noticed the stopping power. It's definitely increased a bit, so that should definitely help. And should be good for track days as well, which I'd like to really test it out, and that's what I'm essentially building the car for. Is just to be a good all-around track car as well, or if I want to drift it or do drag, I can kind of get a bit of everything and just really enjoy the car and the build. So just looking for something that's really well balanced. As for spoilers, I put a little vote on the Instagram page on what my potential next modification was going to be, or upgrade. Most of you actually wanted to hear about it, so for the people that don't, unfortunately you're going to get the spoiler today. But all those posts before where I was talking about the big wing, I think some of you already guessed it. I did order that big Genesis GT style spoiler. So it's similar to like the Rocket Bunny style, or some of those wide body kits, or that wide body BTR car that I was showing before. It's that same kind of L bracket in the back. I'll be posting tons of pictures, of course, once I do get it. Probably do another reveal, and then probably like another install video, just so take you along on that journey as well. But it is actually on order, so I should be getting it maybe in a few weeks or so. So I'm pretty pumped. I went with the carbon fiber, not the fiberglass, because I also want a few other goodies, and I like carbon fiber. So just to accent it with the rest of the parts on the car and stick with the whole dark black theme and carbon fiber and such as well. But yeah, anyways, I'm rambling on. So until next time, guys, take care.